Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and today I am bringing you guys a cooking video. I will be making one of my favorite dishes, and this is the perfect dish for this time. So let's get right to it. I'll be making tomato soup. I'll be using a bunch of tomatoes, red peppers, lemon, garlic, onion, and basil. For this particular dish, I'll be using 2 cups of cashews, and I've soaked that up in warm water for a minimum of 1 hour. And while that is soaking, I am going to go ahead and wash my vegetables. This is the perfect dish for this particular time that we are experiencing right now. Everyone is home, and you can make a huge pot and just freeze it. So as you can see here, I'm just cutting my vegetables in half. And now I am also just gonna go ahead and put in my garlic and squeeze half a lemon in there. Red chili flakes for a little bit of a kick. And drizzle a little bit of some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Just a little bit, not too much. You want to just go ahead and move all your vegetables around so that all the vegetables are coated in that oil. And now I am going to bake the veggies for about an hour. Now I'm gonna go ahead, it's been over an hour. I think I actually soaked these cashews for about 2 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead, drain the water, and just set the liquid aside. Do not throw it away, just in case you need it to loosen up the mixture here. So you want to go ahead and just blend that and create a smooth consistency. And like I said before, this is the substitute for cream. If you are not vegan, you can just go ahead and just use cream instead of cashews. So as you can see, it's smooth. It's just slightly thick, not super thick, also not too runny. It's just the perfect consistency, and that's what you're looking for. Now it's been about an hour. I'm going to take out my vegetables and start blending them. Now the vegetables are hot, so please be careful. Make sure that your blender can breathe, because you don't want everything to explode because of the heat. And I'm just blending them a little at a time. By the way, guys, if you hear some sound in the background, that's the rain. It is pouring outside, which is great because we need the rain. Then I'm going to go ahead and just transfer the mixture into a big pot, and I've gone ahead and turned on the heat as well. And then I will finish blending the rest of the veggies, and I'll also add basil to that batch. I actually have vegetable broth or stock, which I thought I was going to use just in case the soup was super thick, but I actually ended up not using it. So you can use vegetable broth or water if your soup is super thick, but I actually ended up liking the consistency of my soup, so I did not use that vegetable stock. So that's the last batch. Then I'm gonna add the blended up cashews into the mixture and just mix it in there pretty well. So I hope you guys are doing well, staying safe during this time. I know a lot of people are home, and so I just thought I'd bring you guys this recipe right here that you can try at home. It's pretty healthy, it's filling, and it'll last a long time. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt. I know it looks like a lot of salt, but I promise you, with all those tomatoes, you can barely taste the salt. And then I'm gonna squeeze in the other half of the lemon. And so the key with this dish right here is that you taste it as you go along. And once you get it to, by the way, that's black pepper. But once you get it to a taste that is suitable for you, for your palate, then you're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn down the stove to low and just let it cook for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, this is what you have. Tomato soup with grilled cheese sandwich. My favorite type of dish. So go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think about it. And do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, as I'll be bringing you guys more videos. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.